Hello guys, welcome. Today we're going to review comparatives that we learned last class. So here, before we learn what is a comparative, we need to know what is an adjective. An adjective gives a quality, right? So for example, gigantic, funny, hot, handsome, all these words here, they are adjectives. And we have two types of adjectives. Short, for example, hot, cold. These are short adjectives because they're very little, right? And we have long adjectives like gigantic, unusual, joyful, expensive. These are all long adjectives, okay? So we have the first comparison, which is as. As is when something is equal. They are the same. They are equal, okay? Equality. So let's look at an example. Batman is as rich as Iron Man. I use as, the adjective I put in the middle, rich, as, and somebody else. Who is richer? Nobody, because they have as means they are equal. Superman is as handsome as Thor. So do I think Thor is more handsome? No. Do I think Superman is more handsome? No. I think Superman and Thor are equal, handsome, right? The girls are as smart as the boys. As smart as. We aren't as popular as the Kardashians. Okay, so here I put a negative, which is okay, there's no problem. If I have to translate this one here, the girls are as smart as the boys. As garotas são tão espertas e inteligentes quanto os garotos, os meninos, right? We aren't, nós não somos tão populares quanto os Kardashians, okay? Superiority means it's not equal. Not equal. It means that A is bigger than B, or B is smaller than C, or vice versa. We have two types of adjectives that I talked about, long and short. With the long adjectives, I'm going to put more, long adjective here, than. Short adjectives, I'm going to put the short adjectives, er, than. You have to remember there are some rules here. If it ends in y or CVC, you have to change something, right? Let's see the examples with the long adjectives first. Studying is more important than playing video games. Important is a long adjective, right? So I have to use more than. Simple. The girls are more intelligent than the boys. Intelligent is a long adjective, so I put more than, more intelligent than. And English is more interesting than Portuguese. So interesting is a long adjective, so I have to put more than, okay? And the last one, the dog is more expensive than the cat. Expensive is a long adjective, so we have to put more than again. When we talk about short adjectives, we have to put er in the end of the adjective, okay? So, example, we are happier than the other students. Why do I put I? Because happy finishes with ends in y, so I have to change y to I and put er then. My girlfriend is prettier than yours. Same thing here. Finishes in y, so I change y to I and put I-E-R. Superman is stronger than Batman. Here, strong is a short adjective, and there's no CVC, there's no y, so just put ER. And my house is bigger than yours. I have CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant, so I put an extra letter here. I repeat the last letter and put ER there. And to finish, we have three irregulars. Repeat. I'm better than you. Repeat with me. You are worse than me. And the last one, repeat. My house is farther than yours. So better, worse, and farther. Okay? There is no gooder, no better, and no farer. These three words, they are irregular. That's why they change good for better, bad for worse, and far to farther. Okay? I hope you guys understand. If you have any questions, just ask me.